Most SPAC holders are making the same mistake right now. They're trying to swap SPK the wrong way and risking failed transaction or unnecessary fees. I just converted SPAC to USDT in less than 3 minutes using Trust Wallet, and there's one step that almost nobody talked about. Watch closely because missing it could stop your swap from going through. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you would see them. Now the first thing to do is either go to etherscan.io or come to coinmarketcap.com. Now either platform, once you get there, just search for Spark, SPARK. Now this is Spark at the top. Now click on it to select it. Once it is selected, just allow the page to properly load. Give it a few seconds. Once that is done, just scroll down a bit until after just the market statistics, you would see this field, and then copy out the contract address because we'll be needing it for this transaction. So click on it, copy it, and then exit out of the browser. Then go into your Trust Wallet. Let me authenticate my Trust Wallet. Now, make sure that you have Spark balance in your wallet. Now, make sure you're connected to the wallet that has the Spark balance. Once this is verified, click on the Discover. And once you click on the Discover, go to the search. Come here at the top of the search input box and then type in Valeris network. Oh, sorry, not network, and then click enter. Now once the page loads, there are two things you have to be certain that you have done. One is that you've connected your wallet properly to the platform. Now if you've not done that, you would see a wallet logo at the top here. You can click on it and then follow the prompt. If you have any difficulty, a link will be provided at the top of this video that leads you to another YouTube video that shows you how to properly connect your wallet or sync your wallet with Valeris network. And once that is out of the way, also make sure that your network, the connected network or the selected network, is Ethereum, because Spark is on the Ethereum network. Now once those both conditions have been satisfied, the next thing to do is to click on the menu. Once you click on the menu, click on the swap menu. Now once the swap menu is selected, the next thing we want to do is select the tokens that we want to trade with. For this video, I'll be swapping Spark to USDT. So the first thing I want to do is just click on the Ether, that's the quotes pair. Click on it and then select USDT. Make sure we've selected that. Once that is out of the way, the next thing to do is to change the base pair. Click on the USDE here and then look for or search for Spark. Now Spark is not available here, so the next thing to do is to use the contract address that we had copied from CoinMarketCap to import Spark into the platform. Now clear out this and then paste the copied contract address. Now you'll be asked to import the token. Click on import and give this a few seconds. And as you can see, we've successfully imported our Spark token. Now the next thing to do is to provide a quantity of Spark token that we want to convert to USDT. For this video, I'll be converting my entire Spark token. So click on the max. Now this is going to generate about 963.345106 USDT. Once you're satisfied with this number, the next thing to do will be to click on the swap button. And once you click on that swap, we'll click on confirm swap. Give this a few seconds to process. And as you can see, we have successfully swapped our Spark token to USDT. Now we can close out of this, and then you see our USDT balance has increased to 2,700 60 USDT. Now we can exit out of this and come back to our Trust Wallet home to verify this transaction. Right now, our transaction has not yet reflected on our wallet. Just give it a few seconds. In no time, our Spark transaction would reflect on the wallet. So guys, just I don't want to pause this video or cut it. I just want us to watch the entire process as it happens live. Let me just refresh the page a bit. Give it a few seconds. I'm sure this should activate anytime soon. Sometimes network can contribute to delayed syncing and all of that. Just give it a little time. This should not take too much of our time. Just give it some seconds more. I think we should be properly done in a few seconds. I'm gonna refresh again. Just hold on, guys. We will be, as you can see, it has actually been done. I wasn't even paying full attention. As you can see, Tether USDT value has reflected. The transaction was successful. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be informed anytime we release any content. And please, if you have questions, do well to drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to assist you with any confusions you have. And also like the video if it's helpful. Until next time.